Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tina. I'm just here to bring you a couple of my latest tag bags. So I haven't actually had any of these in my shop for a little while, so I thought it would be nice to kind of do a couple, you know, now. So I'll show you this one first. So obviously it's the usual kind of tag shaped bag. It's got this cute little leopard satin kind of ruffle, some diamante and just a little bow here with some stamping around the edge, and then it's just kind of attached here with some twine. And then inside, as per kind of the usual arrangement, there are 10 different tags. So the first one is this gorgeous, really cute little teeny tag, which is a little folding arrangement, and it's obviously plain there for journaling. And then here on the back, you've just got some stamp details. Here you've got some stamping, some decoupage, and a bit of lace trim there. And then it's got a bulb pin holding another little teeny tag at the top. So that's that one. Then you've got another little tiny tag. Love these tiny tags. They're just so cute, and they're just ideal for kind of when you have little areas, you know. And this is on buff coloured card. Again, it's got some decoupage detail there. It's got a Martha Stewart butterfly and some lace there, a bit of stamping, and then another teeny tag held on with, again, a little bulb pin. So that's that one. Then you've got this one, which is some book page, vintage book page, backed onto some coffee dyed cardstock. You've got some stamped corners and some decoupage flowers there from a vintage book. And then you've got a stamped image here and here, and then one of my little printables there from my die cut printables. And then this tag here, again, this is some vintage book page, and it's been stitched around on the sewing machine onto this kind of buff coloured card. And then you've got some flowers from a vintage book, one of my printables layered up, and a stamped image there, and some lace trim down the bottom, and then some zigzag stitching there on the lace. And then the tab is just some fabric there that, again, I've zigzag stitched across the top. Then this one here, this is a kind of medium sized tag, I suppose. It's some vintage book page. Got some vintage stamps here, one of my printables, some more of that vintage flowers from the book, and then here a bright pink satin flower and some lace trim. That's that one. And then this one, this is some beautiful polka dot scrapbook paper, and then I've layered up some vintage sheet music. Oops, one of my new cigarette card printables. That's been layered onto some vintage book page and also some soft net. And then you've got some stamping going on around the edge. You've got then a little flower stuck on there, and then some lace trim down the bottom, a fabric tab, and then some lace trim across the top. That's that one. This one, this is probably my favourite tag in this this bag. Love the colours of this. So you've got this gorgeous, it's kind of like a teal type colour tag with some decoupaged, you know, some flowers from a vintage book sort of decoupage on there, a stamped image and a butterfly. And then here, held on with a bulb pin, is a smaller tag in similar colours with, again, a butterfly. And then it's just got this gorgeous vintage button also held on with the bulb pin, which just kind of picks up the green from the leaves. So yeah, that's probably my favourite tag in this one. And then here you've got some scrapbook paper, then it's got some vintage book page there. Again, some flower there from the vintage book, and a couple of stamped images, a stamped butterfly, all kind of glued on there. And then you've got some lace as a tab, and it's just been backed onto, again, some buff coloured card, and that's a super large tag. Here you've got, again, really big tag. It's got some decoupage napkin onto some vintage sheet music, and then you've got some stamped images here and some doily, and then you've got some lace trim down the bottom, and then you've just got this lace trim kind of as a tab, and then attached with a bulb pin to the lace trim is a little kind of tiny stamped image, or like another tag, I suppose, that I just thought looked quite pretty there. So that's that one. And then this one here, you've just got some vintage sheet music and that's been glued onto this coffee dyed cardstock. And then here you've got some sewing pattern paper with an image from a vintage book layered up with some fabric here that's all been coffee dyed, and you've got a fabric tab, again coffee dyed, and then you've got some lace trim over the top of there, and then some lace trim down here which has just been stitched across on the sewing machine. So that's your 10 tags there in tag bag number 1. I'll move that to one side and show you the second one. So this one here, exactly the same, it's a tag shaped bag, and then you've got some fabric ruffle, and you've got some lace that's been distress inked, and you've got some gorgeous green faux de monte, a paper flower, and then a lady here from some lady cigarette cards, which I'm playing around with at the moment, trying to produce, you know, a nice kind of printable set for you guys. So hopefully that will be available shortly, and that's been layered up onto some soft net also. And then going inside, again you've got 10 kind of different tags here. So you've got, first one is tiny tag here with some gingham scrapbook paper, some vintage book page, a vintage postage stamp and a butterfly, and then it's all been stitched around on the sewing machine with a fabric tab also stitched on, and some lace trim at the bottom, so really cute. Then this one here, you've got some vintage book page layered up with one of my printables, or a couple of my printables actually on there, and an image from a vintage book layered up onto some fabric, all glued on there, and it's been stitched around on the sewing machine onto some coffee dyed fabric cardstock, and then that's got a smaller tag attached with some ball chain there. So that's that one. Then you've got here this larger tag which has been layered up, various different elements layered up. It's got some scrapbook paper, some book page, more scrapbook paper, a bit of book page here, stamped image with some lace trim, another stamped image here, and then you've got a fabric tab, and it's all been stitched around the edge there and just backed onto some distressed card. This one, really like this one. It's got some scrapbook paper, a bird cage from my printable set, another printable, and here a bird from my beautiful birds kit that I just fussy cut that out. Popped some vintage book page behind, stitched all around obviously with the sewing machine, and then because obviously it's got the red in the flowers, I just wanted to pick that up with this red soft net, so the tab is the red soft net, and then I've also stapled some on down the bottom in a kind of ruffle along there. And then this one is some vintage book page, and it's just been stitched around on the sewing machine to this buff coloured card. And then you've got a butterfly from a vintage book, a vintage postage stamp, a stamped image, sorry, and one of my printables. That's all just been kind of collaged on there. And then you've just got a ribbon kind of tab there that's just been stitched on the sewing machine. So that's that one. Here you've got one of those kind of smallish tags. Again, this is on buff coloured card, and you've just got a kind of collage of effects going on here, and it's just got another little tag hanging with a bulb pin there. So I think they're really cute. Then this one here, this is just some paper from my beautiful birds kit. Well, it's cardstock. It's just been printed out, and then again, this is one of those ladies on the cigarette cards, which, you know, I'm still playing around with. And then you've got a stamped image of a butterfly here, some lace trim across the top and the bottom, and then hopefully you can see this. Obviously I haven't really ever done a video in the dark before, but I'm hoping that it's going to come out well enough with the lamps on and the light. You've got some beautiful purple ribbon here, and the same colour purple flower here, and then some faux de monte going across there, so it looks really pretty. And then on the back I just did a pocket on this one from the same card, and then it's just got another one of those little cards poked in there. Then this one here, this is just some scrapbook paper, and then it's been collaged up with some vintage book page, a vintage bird and a stamped image. One of the flowers from the scrapbook paper there just kind of raised onto there. It's been stitched around on the sewing machine, and a tab there, and it's all been backed onto some coffee dyed cardstock. And then here you've got some decoupage napkin onto some sheet music, a stamped image here of a butterfly layered onto some greaseproof paper, a bit of lace trim down the bottom, and then again that's got some ball chain attaching this kind of long skinny tag there. And then the final tag here in this one, this is some decoupage napkin onto some vintage sheet music. You've got a stamped image of this bird, stamped image here onto some sewing pattern paper, another stamped image here, and then you've got some lace trim going across the bottom, and then you've just got this kind of skinny, it's actually some kind of trim from some lace, which I just thought made a kind of different tab there. And obviously they're all kind of plain on the back, you know, ready for journaling and things. So they're both obviously listed in my Etsy now, so the link will be below to my Etsy shop. So, you know, if you wanted to go and have a look, then that would be great. Hope that you enjoyed the video, hope you like the tags, and I will see you again next time. Thank you very much. Thanks, bye.